I want to go over the 100K portfolio and some of our top trading systems in that portfolio. So if you do not have 100K to trade, you can trade some of the top systems. Taking a look, scroll down the page, updated the performance summaries. You can download all of those there, as well as some supplemental reports for the we have money management algorithm versions, and so we've included also the reports for the non-money management algorithm strategies that those are based on, as well as Coffee Day Trader. And so you can quickly scroll through the 22 report screenshots, and you can also download them here. And then the download includes those supplemental reports. And so I'm going to go to a show you these reports. I'm going to scan through some of the top trading systems. You can just at your leisure go through these. I'm not going to go through this entire page here, but I'm going to go through some of the top trading systems in that report. And in a portfolio this size, you have strategies that are at an equity peak and some that are in a drawdown. We're going to go over some of the top performing strategies. Cobra Bonds is one of those. It's making recent equity peaks. Again, there's about 11 of the 22 systems that are at recent equity peaks in the portfolio, and then others are in drawdown. So it's a good balance to have trend and counter trend strategies, and then some that are in a run up and some that are in a drawdown. And so Cobra Bonds, you see here, has done well. Make sure that fits on the screen. And then also you've got Cobra CT5B E-mini S&P money management algorithm. This is the one that comes with the money management algorithm, the Cobra CTs. And you can see the recent equity peaks here as well. Scroll through these quickly. Cobra 3, E-mini S&P. This is the non-money management algorithm version, and it has outperformed the money management algorithm version. Sometimes that happens in the short term. This has made a recent equity peak. So Cobra 3 has made a recent equity peak, and the money management algorithm version is the one that's in the portfolio. Coffee EVP2, 1 minute. This is Coffee Day Trader. Went over this on Friday, and here it is with slippage and commission, and you can see the results with slippage and commission. And this is something that could be added to the 100K portfolio as well, or substituted for another strategy. Here is DAX Cobra Money Management. Recent equity peak, pulled back. Looks like it could make another equity peak. Same thing with Euro Gap Fade. Recent equity peak, pull back. Approaching equity peaks again. This is Cobra 2B, or Gap Continue 2B. This is from our book, 7 Trading Systems for the E-mini S&P, or 7 Trading Systems for the S&P Futures. So you can actually find this strategy in that book for free with the purchase of the book. Here's Gold Spike 2 Money Management Algorithm version. Gold is a very volatile market. We see a huge counter trend rally last week, a big spike up. This is more counter trend in nature. I did not take that trade. Here is soybeans day trade 3, recent equity peak. I believe that's in February, and then a nice pullback, nice place to get in. Narrow pullback. SR counter trend crude oil. This is another strategy to look at. It trades the crude oil market, and that market is heating up right now. Another SR counter trend gold. Recent pullback, approaching equity peaks again. It's kind of a little bit of a technical analysis of the equity curve. You can see how it's pulled back, equity peak, pullback, equity peak, pullback, and we'll see if it makes another equity peak and keeps on with that pattern. But that's in the portfolio. And this is stock index swing E-mini S&P. And again, these reports include $25 round turn slippage and commission. So it holds trades overnight, but not over the weekend, and a nice average trade profit. Recent equity peaks in May, and then a slight pullback here in June. And this is the day trade version of it. You can close all trades out at the end of the day and capture that. And so these are some of the top systems. Going to have a webinar on Tuesday to go over any questions, to go over a more thorough view of all this. We're going to have that on Tuesday, and I will hyperlink you to that at the end of this video. And be sure to also take a look at our 100K portfolio page for more details and how to sign up.